Hello everyone, today I've got KAT's 4th mini album, Red Moon, and I'm gonna unseal it. Okay, so this is the front cover, and we have the back and the side. Okay, so this is the CD, and what's this? Oh, this is the poster thing that you have inside. We have BM and JSF. Yeah, then here we got sorry, I can't fit this into the screen, so this is Somin and Jiwoo. Okay, let's put this aside. Now, where are my food cards? Okay, so we've got this. It's the Jiwoo one. Not bad. She's one of my buyers. So we got this Jiwoo one, and here we have another Jiwoo PC. This is the back. I hope I get a BM PC. Okay, BM. Oh, it's JSF, but it's fine. I'll just trade away, or I'll just buy. I've never gotten a JSF PC before, so he's kind of cute here. I'll keep that. Now into the album. Wow. Oh, this is trippy. Wow, handsome man. Oh wow! I love this. Oh, that's a nice outfit. My hair looks nice. Wow. Oh, that's cute. Yep, that's all. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!